Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, this has been an extra special day. I got my BoxyCharm base box earlier today. It was left at the door, so we saw it right away, and really excited that I got to wear it all on my face. So if you haven't seen that video and it goes up first or whatever, I will try to link it in the description box down below, because everything was an absolute winner and I was able to use everything on my face for that video, and now that same face is on this video as well. But this one ended up in our mailbox and we didn't check it till a little bit later in the day. So I'm gonna try to get both of these up today, but if they don't show up today, if one or the other is gonna show up tomorrow. So this is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is my paid version. We've been lucky enough on this channel to get some PR from Ipsy, so we were able to share both the PR packages at the beginning of the month, and then I was able to share with you my choices when we went through all that on the 2nd of the month, and now already my plus has arrived. So here, let's get through everything and go through it all together. So there's always a card in here, but now the card doesn't always have the information, but you know, way before the cards didn't have the information, I'm always sitting down prepared with the information to share with you guys that I prepare for myself. And this month is called Soak It All In. That is the theme this month. And two of the items in here that I shared with you, because I don't know what's going to be in the PR package. So when I choose for my boxes, I choose what I want for inside my choice items. So if my box comes a little bit earlier, it's good for me and you, because then we get to see the products ahead of time to help us make our choices. And especially for me, it's good because then I could choose something else to show you on the channel. But that's only happened a couple times where it came before the 2nd, but it came afterwards. So two of the items that are in here are my choice items, which during that video that I did, I wore all the items and I had the opportunity to share those with you on that day. So I will swatch them in this video for you too. All right, starting with the first item that was in my box that they chose for me is this one that is called Dew of the Gods. It is a Claydate healing face mask. This is a $42 value. And again, this is in a bag that's under $30 or $30 now in July with that $1.99, and it's free ship in the USA. So the values are always there, but to me, I always tell you, the values are based on the items that you're gonna use in the box. So the more items that you use, the more of a value the boxes are, but they're always a value to me. So this one is a full-size face mask. They're saying it is the hero ingredient in this face mask is a mineral-rich pink clay. It's been used for centuries thanks to its ability to help hydrate, heal, as well as revitalize the skin. Use your fingertips or a dry mask brush to apply a thick layer to clean skin. Remove with warm water after 10 minutes. They're saying it is vegan and cruelty-free. And about the brand, they're saying the Dew of the Gods is an LGBT-owned brand that is founded by a Canadian TikTok star, Ryan Dupes. I didn't know that. And this is what this product looks like here. I finally used from last month's boxes the one that's in that gorgeous teal color. I'm impressed with this brand. Everything that I have tried, I have really, really enjoyed. I had one of their scrubs that I enjoyed, and then this is what the product looks like inside here. There's a plastic shield on the top of this. See if I can get it under my nail to see if I can get this up to show you guys inside. These are sometimes hard to lift out, so yeah, I don't think I can. Oh, there we go. Every time I say that, I do it. All right, so it is one of those thicker clay masks. That's what it looks like here. And I find their masks go on beautifully. There is no real scent to this. It just smells actually like clay. And like I said, I have enjoyed their masks. So this is just another one that I'll have the opportunity to play with, and it's called the Claydate. So excited about that. Love that they have a relationship now with Ipsy, because they used to only be available through BoxyCharm, but now that Ipsy and BoxyCharm are all one, we're getting some crossover, and I think it's absolutely fantastic about both brands. The next item is one that I picked up for myself in a blush from this brand to learn a little bit more about it, and now it's in my box. This one I'm really excited to have the opportunity to try. I'm a little bit afraid of the color, but we're going to do some swatching and we'll see. This is called the Loose Powder. They have it in a cool neutral N8. They're saying this is a $22 value. It is a loose powder. They're saying the finishing touch we've been waiting for. They're saying this is a silky powder that erases shine and excess oil without settling into fine lines or caking. They're saying you can use the powder brush or tap it onto your cheeks, forehead, and T-zone, or anywhere you want to minimize shine. This is an animal-friendly formula. It's both vegan as well as cruelty-free. And they're saying this brand, they said again, is created in Canada. Great. This is crazy. I'm a Canadian girl and I've never heard of these brands. And now that I live in the States, I'm getting boxes that have Canadian brands in it and I am over the moon. This is called Kosmetic. It takes pride in using only the highest standards of ingredients to make your products that are cruelty-free and safe for sensitive skin. So as I said, I bought one of their blushes and I fell in love. One dab of the brush, the full pigment was there. It blended beautifully, really impressed with it. So this one, it's completely sealed, but as you can see, there's some powder on it. So I don't know what happened or if one of the holes or something in it, but it already had the powder like this. So I'm just gonna take a little bit from the lid that's on here so we can see what the color looks like. But like I said, I didn't open this and I didn't play with it yet. So that is how it arrived. So let me just take, like I said, a little bit on my back of my finger here, and we'll just put a little bit here. Yeah, it's got a beautiful deep tone to it. So this, if you have, what I usually do with these type is, and I share with you all the time, I have a lot of loose powders, but the ones that I get in a lot of different shades is the one that's in the square box from the drugstore that's called, Fit Me. I think it's Maybelline, and I have them in a lot of different shades so that when my foundation is a little bit too light, these are the powders that I'll put over it to help give me the color that I want. Also, you can use these if you want to just do a light dusting with bronzer. You can use it as that as well if you're a lighter tone and you get this color. So I will definitely use this because I like this brand and I will find a way. So excited about that. The next item in here, I ended up choosing because I really didn't know what to choose in that line. And then when you guys wrote to me in the comments, you told me I made a great choice because you have this and you're enjoying it so much. This is the Soleil hair tool. They're saying this is a $150 value, which is a very high value. But like I say, I don't look at the values. I look at that I get all of these products for $30. So if you get 5 products, you're spending about $6 a product. So the fact that this is $150 in the retail world, I think we did great. This one is, they're saying it is a flat iron, but it says if you can brush your hair, because it comes in this pouch, but it is this brush here. So I'm gonna just lift up the brush so you can see it. So this is what the brush looks like. This is the 2-prong that's in here. It simply has an on button and an off button. So it gets, I guess, to the one temperature that it needs to get. And it says Soleil on the back. So it is a really nice brush that I think if you have short hair or long hair, we'll both be able to use it. And this one says, like I mentioned, they're saying if you can brush your hair, you can heat style using a petite paddle brush. This is a heat resistant bristle that will heat up quickly and effortlessly, that will glide through your hair to smooth it out fast. You can section off your dry hair, then gently brush each section to straighten and smooth. It's just as powerful as the larger size tool, but compact for on-the-go styling and touch-ups. The Soleil brand is a professional high-quality hair tool that lets you express your creativity in the front of your own home. I'm telling you guys, and that's what I love about having the channel, is not only do I get to try the products and tell you guys about it, but when you guys try the products and you tell me, and then you put it in the comments, you're telling everyone that reads the comments about it as well. So you're helping a lot of people make some decisions if you fall in love with the product, or if a product doesn't work for you and you share, you know, your hair type and all of that. But so many of you told me that you got this, and I cannot wait to play with it. So excited that that was even an option for me, and that you guys helped make me feel like I made a good decision. The next item in here is the one that I got in the PR package, which is this one that's called WingMe. It is the Ambitious Violet. So this is the one that I'm gonna put in the save for later, which you know what that means, because as you know, we just finished a huge 4,000 giveaway for hitting the 4,000 before our 3-year anniversary. So I had to take what all I had prepared for that 3-year anniversary to put into the giveaway for the 4,000. So I had another idea for the 3-year to put one box filled with over 20 something palettes in there, all different eyeshadows and blushes and bronzers bronzers. And then I saw that I had another box that had a lot of other stuff in it. So I ended up filling up 5 boxes that we have going on right now. So I'll leave that giveaway in the description box, as well as in, I'm gonna try to pin it as to be the first comment underneath so that you guys will have access to it. So I did 2 videos. One, the one that you have to enter in. And then on the weekend, I had some time to be able to go through and open up some of the boxes to show you actually inside, to show you all the palettes that were in there and to go through all of them with you. So I'm so excited that I'm gonna have the opportunity to show so much of that to you guys. And like I said, that's how I end up with being able to do these giveaways for you guys if I get duplicates, because my channel is about reviews. It's about sharing with you so that when you guys go in, like I do, to an Ipsy or a BoxyCharm, and we have to make choices for ourselves, that hopefully my reviews are going to help you make those decisions. But when I get duplicate items, that's when we get to have these fantastic giveaways, and I think it's fantastic. I also don't think I told you that this also comes with a bag. And in the Ipsy Plus, you always get one of these bags with these 2 toggles. The blue one is what we got in the PR package, so I'm very happy that I got the yellow one here. It comes with the pull strings. These are great little bags to take when you're traveling or just to organize yourself for your masks, your clips, your hair stuff. It's just, you'll find good reasons to be able to use it. So let me open up the one that I have here. So I put the one that is gonna go into a future giveaway, and I pulled the one out from my area. And this one is called, like I said, the Ambitious Violet Palette. They're saying this is a full size. It is an eyeshadow palette. It says like a wearable wildflower field. Add a pop to your look with this set of 8 high impact eyeshadows, to soft berries to rich violets. It is a velvety powder that are infused with marigold to add anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It says mix and match the shades across your lids. You cannot go wrong. It's a cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free. And about the brand, they're saying this WingMe Cosmetics creates beauty products for every makeup lover, and from a novice to a professional. And this is one that I said I wore the day because it came early enough when my PR package came to play with it, and I was impressed with it. It was really, really beautiful. So comes with a safety shield. I'm gonna just show you the colors here, and we'll do some swatching. So as you can see, this has been used more than once, because when I got it, I loved it, and then I wanted to try a couple of different colors with this, because these shades alone you can use like as a natural, you can use just the purples. It really is a really versatile palette. So these are the 4 colors that are on the top. These are Dream, Crave, Rose, and Naughty. So to me, these are the perfect shades that you want for, you know, that natural look, but with a pop. And the colors that came out of this were just beautiful. And also, there was not a lot of fallout. There was a lot of, when I say not a lot of fallout, when you put a bristle brush into the product, you're gonna see fallout. But what I mean by fallout is when it gets into the brush and you're placing it on your eyes, if it adheres to your eyelids, if you're wearing primer, no primer, whatever, that's when I don't see any of the fallout on my face. So when I say there's no fallout, it means I really didn't have to brush anything off of my face. Then the last 4 that are in here are the shimmer shades. And this one is in Crushed, Fortune, Rebel, and Temptress. So if you ended up getting this or picking this like I did, I think you will be very happy, because like I said, you can go purpley, you can go natural. There's so much in here. It is just beautiful. And I love when there's the same amount of mattes as shimmers, because then you can really play with all the colors. So that is a new brand to me. And like I said, it was one of my choices. The next one I chose for myself as well. So that ended up being a duplicate as well. So that's also gonna go into that section. And this is this product here. And I am enjoying these. It is from the brand called Vamigas, I think is how it's pronounced. And if I'm not pronouncing it properly, I really do apologize. It's called the Rosa Mosqueta Infused Lip Oil, and Aceite Labial in Valintina and Sofia. Together, these are $28. They are full size, they are lip oils. It's infused with the Latin America's most legendary serum, this Rosa Mosqueta, and this fragrance-free lip oil that applies sheer with a perfect tint of color, giving you that natural but gentle color enhancement. They're saying apply it to your bare lips or over your favorite lipstick to create a glossy finish. And then it says they are a rich source of vitamin A, C, omega-3, omega-6 fatty acids that you use to keep your skin healthy and supple. This Vamigas is a green beauty and wellness brand. It is created by Latinas using simple, natural, derived botanicals from Latin America. So this shade goes on gorgeous where you can put it on before you start your makeup to get your lips into that perfect condition, because it is a light infused with like a peachy color, but you really don't see it. It's more clear, but you can see with the light that it gives that reflection. It is not sticky at all. It goes on beautifully. And what's nice about it is it penetrates enough so that during the day, if you're just wearing this, your lips will still feel hydrated, but you're not going to get that sticky, overly look of lip oils on your lip. But this one is a pop of color. And I love that they gave us both and they didn't make us choose. But look how beautiful this is. This is when, you know how the girls say, your lips but better? That is what that shade is. It is a step up from your lips, and it definitely makes them better. So those are those two that are in here. So those are absolute two winners for me. So happy that I picked these because I definitely wanted them. And then this is going to be such one that they think is a winner that they put it in the PR box to make sure that everyone knew about this brand, because this is a new brand to me and probably a new brand to Ipsy, because I have not seen this name when we do all of our spoilers and all that stuff. I never see any of it. I've never saw this brand before. So this was a new brand to me, and that is why I chose it. This was a new brand to me, so that is why I chose it. And the brands that they chose for me, I think are absolutely fantastic. So I chose for myself the they chose for me the loose powder in this deeper tone, which is the one that's up here. And then DewoftheGods, excited that Ipsy is now, and Ipsy people that don't get BoxyCharm are going to start seeing that product. And again, that gorgeous brush from Soleil, and then of course the bag that is always a bonus gift in here. So that's everything that I got in my Ipsy Plus. Happy to be able to share that with you guys. Make sure to check out that giveaway so that you guys are part of the celebration of us being on here for 3 years, which is absolutely crazy, because we not only uploaded, if not every day, we did multiple videos every day. So it truly feels like 3 years, and it went by. And the growth that I have, I think, is absolutely fantastic, because we are solely focused on beauty and some lifestyle products, you know, with the FabFitFun boxes. But it's truly, the growth of this channel is because the brands that I wanted to try for myself was an Ipsy and a BoxyCharm. And because Ipsy grew and BoxyCharm grew, my channel started to get that, and that's how we grew. So I have really been focused on that. So loving that you guys are sharing in the comments with me, and that we are growing together. It's just everything and more. So if you haven't signed up for the giveaway, I really hope that you do. Once again, it's a celebration that I'm in awe that we're still here 3 years later and growing. So that is what it's all about. So take care, everybody. Continue to stay safe and well. Keep your eyes open for that BoxyCharm base, because that's what I'm wearing on my face. I wanted to make sure that you guys saw all that. And then I will see you all again soon in the next one. Bye for now.